Hello guys, welcome to session 2. In this video, we are going to study about alphabets in German and some daily words. So let's get started with alphabets. A is A in German. B is B in German. C is T, say in German. Wait for a while guys, it is not T say, it is only say. T is on mute or you can say T is on silent. D is day in German. E is A in German. F is F in German. G is gay in German. H is ha in German. J I is E in German. J is jot in German. Wait for a while guys, it is not jot. You have to understand that it is not jot, it is yacht. We will pronounce it yacht, but we write it jot only. K is car in German. L is L in German. M is M in German. So let's pronounce it again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M. You can pronounce it like a alphabetical song. It is very interesting to sing alphabetical song. N is N in German. O is O in German. Some of the spellings are different, but the sum of pronunciations are the same. O is O in German. P is P in German. Q is Q in German. R is R in German. S is S in German. T is T in German. U is O in German. V is V in German. W is W in German. X is Isk in German. Y is Epsilon in German. And it comes Z is T set in German. Guys, it is not T set. It is pronounced set only, but we write it T set. So let's sing alphabetical song again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T O F W is epsilon set. It is very easy. I know my friends can learn it in 10 seconds with spellings. Okay guys? Now we will learn some words that we use in daily life in German. Some of you guys lost your stationery or finish it, okay? So you say to your mama or papa that please bring stationery. Stationery is Fleischwaren in German. Now comes my favorite, cheeseburger. Cheese is Käse in German. In my first video, I had told that please remember some of the spellings had two dots. In this spelling, at the top of the A, I had put two dots. If you will not put two dots, your spelling will be wrong. So please remember that in Käse spelling or some of the spellings, you have to put two dots. Town hall or mall. Most of you guys watch a movie in hall, that is in mall or town hall. Town hall or mall is said Rathaus in German. Most of you guys eat bread in breakfast. Bread is Brot in German. Sausage is Wurst in German. Football is Fußball in German. You guys are thinking that I had written football, but it is not football. This B is pronounced like S in the spelling, so we will say Fußball. Money is Euro in German. Some transport's name. I know all my friends go to airport. Airport is Flughafen in German. Metro station is Bahnhof in German. I know some of you guys watch Kings and Queens movie. In that movie, Kings and Queens live in castle. Castle is Neuschwanstein in German. You have to learn these spellings. These spellings would help you when you choose a German language or you study more other language. You have to learn all these spellings. Mountain is Zugspeit in German. River is Rhine in German. Okay, guys, I have a notice for you all that I will post my third video on Thursday, that is on 27th August at 3 o'clock. Okay, guys, thank you.